fought gallantly for the people in these times of difficulty, we salute you and we celebrate you. We believe Kenyans do too. We celebrate the fact that whereas the regime had said not even a comma would be removed from the bill, our MPs, while pushing for the millions of Kenyans, were able to force the regime to accept not one, not two, but several amendments. Sadly, those amendments did not include the dreaded double rise in taxation of fuel, which is going to have a ripple effect on the cost of living. The amendments managed by our gallant MPs were not enough to guarantee the kind of life Kenyans desire. To the MPs who knowingly supported a bill overwhelmingly rejected by Kenyans, we say to you that the jury is out. Your day of reckoning will come. The writing is on the wall for this regime, and as the Bible tells us, and if I were to quote a certain member of this illegitimate regime, it is as the Bible says, mene tekel. We have decided to invite Kenyans to a consultation at the Kamukuji grounds next Tuesday, the 27th of June at 10 a.m., where the next course of action will be decided. Whenever, as a people, we have come together, we have always found a solution, even to our worst problems. This time will be no different. We believe that in the end, it is the people's voices that will prevail. The only time we have suffered longer than we should is only when we have allowed dictators to rule longer than they should. And it is only when divide and rule succeeds. We must not let that to happen. The people can never be